Hi everybody, Julie the Wippy Chick here, and it's a car chat. I actually don't have a lot of objects to show you today because I was kind of in a rush to get out the door this morning and I forgot my go bag. The reason I was kind of in a rush to get out this morning was because it's the last day before Thanksgiving break. And I just wanted to get to work, get my work done, and get home for the weekend. 5-day weekend. So I've got Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday all off to enjoy some relaxing time with my family. It's going to be great. So I thought, well, what could I do for my car chat? And I thought, oh, I'll go through some of my comments because your comments mean so much to me. Like, I can't even tell you how happy I am to read every one of your comments, and I try really, really hard to answer every single one of them. If I don't answer your comment, it's because for whatever reason I haven't seen it. Every once in a while, some will sneak by on the YouTube. It's called the Studio, and that's where you get all of your information from YouTube and your viewers and your analytics. And every once in a while, like 2 months later, I'll see a comment that I hadn't seen before, and I even still will respond to it. But I try really hard to respond right away to all of your comments because they do mean an awful lot to me. So the first comment I'm going to look at is from Tracy Purdue, and she commented on how much she's enjoying seeing the Wippy Chicks pics. And it's basically my Pinterest boards, and I have to say, those are like some of my favorite videos to make. It's kind of my deal. It's kind of my thing. Like, I feel like I finally found something that I really like to do, and not a lot of people are out there doing it, and I think that people like to look at them too. So yeah, that's kind of my gig. I really enjoy doing that. So I'm happy, Tracy, that you're enjoying seeing them too. Okay, so the second comment is from Ellie, and it is about my little trip to the craft fair and Michael's and Joanne's, and she talks about the Christmas tree skirts. And it was so funny that she made that comment at the exact same time, and I do mean this, exact same time as I was looking for a pattern for a tree skirt because I don't have a tree skirt. And my husband actually said, oh, you should make one of those things that goes around the bottom of the tree. And I think that's a great idea. So if you have a suggestion for a pattern that you really like for a tree skirt, let me know in the comments below because I am in the search. I'm in search mode. I've looked on Ravelry and I've looked on Pinterest. So yeah, let me know if you've got an idea. Oh, I also looked at lovecrafts.com. There's a lot of them out there, but I want to weigh my options. So thank you so much, Ellie, for that great comment. I appreciate it. Okay, and my last comment is from Verna. So thank you so much for your comment, Verna. You're one of my big commenters. I love to read your comments. But Verna mentioned how she likes how I only buy yarn that I have a purpose for, and that is true. I am not a collector of yarns. There are a lot of people who are collectors of yarns, and there's a little part of me that when I see them sitting in front of these beautiful walls of yarn, that gets a little bit jealous. I'll admit that. That's true. I do get a little bit jealous. But to be honest with you, in my little tiny house that I have, to have that much yarn would just make me feel anxious. I'd feel like, oh my gosh, I have all this yarn. What am I going to do with it? It would just give me pressure to do something with it. So I do love the look of all of the yarn on the wall, and I love it especially at a yarn store where I can just go and look at it and touch it and feel all those nice textures and enjoy looking at it without having to own it. So that's just something that's my personality. It's not a right or wrong thing. I know that my friend Ginger loves her yarn. It gives her comfort to be surrounded by it. So that's awesome. If that's what you love, then that's what you love. And if you're more like me and you just want to buy what you need, that's awesome too. You know, you do you. You do you. So I hope you're having a great day. Thank you again, everybody, for all of your comments. I just love them. If you could, like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, that would be great. All the YouTube stuff, but something that would be even more exciting for me is if you shared my videos with someone who you think would enjoy them. Just trying to grow the channel, and sharing the videos would help a lot. All right, I think that's it for today. I'm going to see you all tomorrow at the live stream, I hope. I hope all my chicklets will come for the club meeting. And when I say club meeting, don't think you have to be a member or anything like that. I don't have any memberships. A club is just anybody who joins in. The club members are always welcome. So yeah, I think that's about it. I'm going to get back to work and finish off those last 4 hours of the workday before I can enjoy the rest of my weekend. And I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, everybody, take care. Bye-bye.